More than 6 million Floridians are homeowners, and many have mortgages that require property insurance. But there is trouble on the horizon now that 17 insurance companies are about to be downgraded. Good evening, I'm Stacy Scheiber.
And I'm Josh Benson. Thanks so much for being with us tonight. If those downgrades happen on Tuesday as expected, millions of Floridians could be impacted.
They could be forced into looking for a new property insurance company. And 8 on Your Side investigator Mahsa Saeidi explains why this makes a bad situation much worse.
Stacy, Josh, right now many homeowners cannot find coverage or they just can't afford it. We have been reporting on that for months. If these downgrades happen, millions more will flood the market, desperate for new, affordable coverage. In 4 days, 17 property insurance companies are set to be downgraded by the ratings agency Demotech. Florida's insurance commissioner David Altmaier sending Demotech's president this letter to delay the downgrades. The commissioner claims Demotech standards are inconsistent. If the downgrades happen as planned, millions of Floridians will be in default of their mortgage requirements. Insurance brokers tell me homeowners will be given a few months to find acceptable coverage. If they can't, then their mortgage company would force place a new policy on them. Bottom line, homeowners will end up paying twice the price for half the coverage.
This thing could get really ugly really quick.
If Demotech's president doesn't back down under pressure, can anything be done? We asked State Senator Jeff Brandes, one lawmaker who spearheaded the effort to reform Florida's market.
Listen, it's got to be the CFO, it's got to be OIR, it's got to be the governor.
Brandes says state leaders could aggressively push mortgage companies and federal regulators to accept a lower rating.
How concerned are you about having to pull ratings?
We take no solace in that. It's no fun at all.
In April, we spoke exclusively with Demotech's president, Joseph Petrelli. He told me trouble was brewing, but state leaders weren't even talking with him. Tonight, in a statement, he writes the comments of state leaders are based on their frustration with the status of Florida's residential property insurance marketplace, and we have consistently applied our applicable metrics.
So these insurance companies are set to lose their A rating, but mortgage companies, including Freddie and Fannie, require that A rating. So as it stands now, the mortgage companies will not allow you to keep your policy with a downgraded company. So huge impact, Josh and Stacey.
Big impact. And that brings us to Citizens Property Insurance, which is supposed to be the insurer of last resort. It's already growing by leaps and bounds because of this crisis. Could this impact Citizens then?
Yeah, definitely. According to Senator Brandes, he tells me that right now, as we have been reporting, Citizens is set to have 1.2 million policies by the end of the year. But with this change, guys, that could double to 2 million policies.
And that's problematic.
That's a problem.
Yep. All right. Thanks so much. And if you have something you want Mahsa to investigate, call our 8 on Your Side help.